Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is eggplant slash aubergine kebab. These are vegetarian and they're very easy to make and very light when eating it. Good for picky eaters because they wouldn't really know what's in it, and they smell amazing, they taste amazing. And let's show you guys how to make the eggplant kebab. Here we have 4 eggplants which we've roasted already, and now we've just let them strain to remove the excess water since we don't want them watery. Here we have half a yellow pepper and half an orange pepper, and you can use any color you want because we're using these solely for the color. A medium onion that we've cut into small pieces. 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil for sauteing. A little bit of chili paste. We haven't really measured it. Some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And here we have spices for grills or mashawi. And here we have 2 tablespoons of parsley, and lastly we can't forget the black pepper. So here on medium heat we have our pan, and we've waited for it to heat up a little, and now we're adding the oil. So because we've already had our pan heating up, now it's already hot, so we're going to add the onions, our peppers, and we're going to saute them with a little bit of salt until they wilt, just to make the whole process easier. Sauteing the peppers and onions depends on how you like them. So if you like their crunch, you can just leave them. You can completely skip the part of sauteing. But we don't like that. We prefer them a little bit softer, so we're going to saute them until they start to wilt. So as you can see, they started to wilt and they turned a nice golden brown and they smell amazing. So now we just turn them off the heat, and we're going to just set them aside and move on to our next step. Is in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in our eggplants or aubergines. And we're going to add in the parsley. Add in the spices. Pepper. The chili paste. We're going to add in our peppers and onions, and it's preferable if you don't wash the pan because it has that flavor that we will need later on. So now we're just going to mix this all together until everything incorporates, and then we're going to start adding in the flour. So now I've been mixing this with my hand, and we're going to start to slowly add in flour until we get a consistency, because a specific consistency, because we need to make it into balls. After we've shaped our dough, or we've mixed flour with it, now on medium heat we're going to take some oil, and of course we didn't wash the pan because we need the flavors that were sitting in there earlier. And as we wait for our oil to heat up, now we're going to shape our mixture. So shaping it is easy. Just put a little bit of oil on your palms, just so to avoid the sticking, and you take a little bit of the mixture and you shape it into patties. So once we shape them and once the oil has heated, now we just put them in the pan, and we don't move them until one side gets golden brown. As you can see, this one got golden brown and we flipped it, so we only flip it once one of the sides is golden brown. And we're going to continue with the same process until we cook all of our patties. So this is what they look like after we finish the cooking process. They're nice and golden brown from both edges. They smell amazing, and of course, typical of me, we're serving it with hot sauce. And these are perfect because I feel like from a distance they don't really look like eggplants. You wouldn't really guess. They kind of look like ground beef, I'm not gonna lie. And they're also very good for like picky eaters, whether it's kids or not. Like a lot of adults are also picky eaters, so yeah, I think they wouldn't really guess it, or you wouldn't really know what's in it, and I'm sure they taste just as amazing. So let's try one. So they taste amazing. I'm so glad I added the hot sauce once again because I feel like it always gives that extra kick of flavor. You can also taste the Mediterranean flavors in it. And you wouldn't really know it's aubergines at all. I mean, of course you would know that it's not beef, but you would know also that like, you wouldn't really guess that it's aubergines. And I highly recommend trying them because they're a light thing to eat. They're a very light meal, I guess. And right now it's Ramadan, so I feel like a lot of people don't want to eat heavy things, or at least like if you eat anything you'd feel heavy. So I feel like this is light and easy and delicious, so I highly recommend trying it. This concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!